One of my homemade things. It is a recently made air, or not, the air cannon is not recently made, but the stock is. It's basically what this video is going to be about. This basically the stock. It'll be short and sweet. It's out of a 2x8 wood piece, obviously. I haven't painted it and I don't plan on it. I did it with a circular saw, so don't be worried, you don't need a jigsaw for this, because there's not that many fancy cuts. I don't remember the dimensions of this, but I know it's probably long and 8 inches wide, because it's a 2x8. But there's really nothing much to this. It's a bunch of angle cuts and straight cut and
a bunch of holes that drilled in zip ties. Hold down the bit, and then kind of using the handle or the fork to produce some stupid design. And then I turned the hole into we need to put batteries in for season 1 breathe. This is 1 inch PC. It's I don't know the length of these cut pieces that are the side aisles of Home Depot. And glued onto the ball valve. A 1-inch ball valve, by the way. I made them be able so you can remove the barrel compression, so it'll be easier to transport and fit in your rucksack on your back. I didn't use a compressor. I didn't use air compressor that you use on nail guns. I did the one that you use for bikes. I got those on. They come in packs of 2s. I've had this one for probably 10 on it. It has that. I'm probably gonna get it in because I don't want it to happen. That's it. They usually put those up to 200 p. 180. Bunch of wooden dowel. 4-inch about a football field. And you can launch broomsticks like you feed this because it actually has a lot of kick, pushes back older. Kind of fun to try to stand up the broom while when you're a kid. But if you're using airsoft, I haven't done anything on doing, or paint, you can do it. Towels, beam side of it, rubber bands on the end. Shoot them at it usually hits it. You're probably gonna wrap it in paper towels because they usually just blow up right as it exits the barrel. So that's not what you want to happen. This is it, basically. I hope it's given you an idea of what you want to do, or just entertain you for 3 minutes or 4 minutes. But I'll bring a review. There's my phone. I'll be doing your home and a homemade here in 10 minutes. If this, please comment.